The next aspect of atomic structure we need to treat now is atomic number. So, what is atomic number? Like I said from the beginning of this chapter, that the atomic number was discovered by what? Moxley. So, the atomic number is the number of proton in the nucleus of an atom. Once again, atomic number is the number of what? Of proton in the what? Nucleus of what? Of an atom. That is what? Atomic what? Number. The number of what? Of proton we have inside the nucleus of an atom, we call it what? Atomic what? Number. Don't forget that what? We said atom is partially what? Spherical in shape. Here we have what we call neutron. Here we have proton. This P is what? Is proton. This N is what? Neutron. Abi? So the number, total number of this proton we have inside the what? Of any atom is what we call what? Atomic number. And don't forget that what? This is what we call what? Shell. And the electron moving around the what? Shell. So, I said atomic number of an atom, of an element, is the number of what? Of proton in the what? In the atom. In the nucleus. And for every neutral atom, that is atom without what? Without charge, the number of proton in that atom must equal to the what? Number of what? Electron. For every neutral what? Atom, the number of proton must equal to the what? Number of what? Electron. Take for example, if you have atom, let me take this as a case of study. Let me use sodium. Atomic number of sodium is what? 11. This tells us that what? In this sodium, we have, in this what? Sodium, the number of what? Of electron here. No, the number of electron here is what? 11. This, in this what? Sodium, the number of what? Of proton is also what? 11. Yes, let me just deal with what? Proton and electron. So for this sodium is what? Is neutral. For every neutral atom, the atomic number is the number of what? Of proton, and the number of electron and proton are what? Are the same. You cannot say that what? The number of proton is equal to what? Number of what? Of electron. For what? For every neutral what? Atom. Let us use another case of study. Let me use what? Oxygen. Which is atomic number what? 8. So if atomic number of oxygen is 8, what will be the what? The number of what? Number of electron there is also 8. What will be the number of what? Of proton there is also what? 8. So therefore, the number of proton is equal to the what? Number of what? Electron. So that is atomic what? Atomic number. The next thing we need now is what? Mass what? Number. Yes, we have atomic mass, or I'll call it what? Mass what? Mass number, or we can also call it what? Atomic what? Mass. The mass number of any element can be determined, or is the what? The total number of what? Of proton and neutron in the nucleus of what? Of an atom. The sum of what? Of neutron and the proton we have in nucleus of an atom is called what? Mass number. And these are the two particles that determine the weight or the mass of what? Of an atom. So the mass number is simply means what? Total what? Mass number, mass what? Number is what? Total number of what? Of proton plus total number of what? Of neutron in the nucleus of what? Of an atom. And the mass number of an element can be determined by a device called mass spectrometer. Mass what? Spectrometer. So the total number of what? Of this proton and neutron in the nucleus of an atom, I said, is known as what? Mass what? Number. But from this expression, if we are looking for what? Number of neutron. So the neutron number here can be what? Number of what? Of neutron will be equal to what? Mass what? Mass number minus number of what? Of proton. So this is what? The method or formula used to find the what? Neutron what? Number. And assume that what we use this X to represent elements. This A we have here, and here we have Z. So this A we have here represents what? Atomic what? So it represents mass number. And this Z we have here represents what? Atomic what? Atomic what? Number. And this is what? An element. So I'm trying to tell you that what? If you are giving element like this, the number you have at uppercase here, at upper side here, is represent the mass number. The one you have here, it represents what? Atomic what? Atomic number. Take for example now, if you ask what? Calculate the, let me say what? Example, calculate the number of neutron in the following elements. One, chlorine 1735. Two, uranium 92 235. Three, hydrogen 1 2 deuterium. Four, carbon 6, 14. So assume we are given this. You are now asked what? We are now asked to what? To determine the number of what? Of neutron. So, what? What? Solution. To know the number of neutron for the first element, which is chlorine 1735. I told you that what? This one represents what? Mass number, and this 17 represents what? Atomic number. So are you going to calculate the number of neutron? You know that what? The number of neutron by using this formula. Number of what? Of neutron is equal to what? Mass what? Mass number minus number of what? What? Proton. So this number of what? Of neutron. What is the mass number here? 35. What is number of proton? Atomic number, which is what? 17. Subtract 17 from what? From 35. And we are left with what? 18. So the number of neutron will be what? 18. So likewise for the second what? Second one, which is what? Uranium 92, 235. So to know the what? The neutron number. The neutron number with what? Number of neutron is equal to what? 235 minus 92. Sorry. Number of neutron is what? Mass what? Mass number minus number of what? Of proton. So if you have it in this way, what will be the what? The number of what? Neutron. What is the mass number? The mass number is what? 235. What is number of proton? Is what? Is 90 what? 92. If you subtract 92 from 235, 135 plus 8, 143. So you have what? 1, 4 what? 3 as the number of what? Of neutron in what? In uranium. So likewise, in the third question, which is Roman figure 3, we have hydrogen 2, 1. So the neutron number here will be what? Number of what? Of neutron is equal to the what? 2 minus what? 1. We have what? 1. So in carbon, which is Roman figure what? 4, we have 14 neutron. It should be what? 14 minus what? 6. Subtract it. It will give us what? 8. Thank God we have understand what we call what? Atomic number and the what? Mass number.